Why do you even want to learn how to cook? Why the hell would you? Think about it. Fast casual restaurants, you got the Chipotles, you can go get lunch in 5 minutes, you got Uber Eats, anything delivered to your door. You can go to restaurants. It makes less and less sense to learn how to cook on the surface. But then you think about health, wealth, and relationships. 3 little things that I like to call the reasons people cook. Let's talk about health. Pretty straightforward. Let's face it, most restaurant food, pretty shit for you. Pretty shit, okay? Tons of salt, bad ingredients. They're trying to make a margin. They're using the shitty non-organic chicken. It's not good. Now, let's say you go to the health food restaurant. That's great, but chances are that's not in your area or your work, or you have to go there when your boss drags you out for dinner. It's really hard to eat healthy. Meal prepping at home, this is a way to be very, very healthy. Next option. Let's talk about wealth. It's way cheaper. It's just cheaper. It's money in your pocket. I don't care what anyone says. People can act like you go and you eat Chipotle and it's incredibly cheap. It's $14, you get all that meal. You can make a burrito. You can make 3 or 4 servings of a burrito at home for 20 bucks, 25 bucks. And yes, if you factor in your labor, it gets a little more expensive. But are you really working 18 hours a day? So if you watch like an Alex Hormozy video, or you go watch whatever entrepreneur video that tells you that every second of the day should be maximized for work and you don't have time to cook, think about it. Do you have an hour to throw in the game, cook a bit of food, do a bit of meal prep, make 4 burritos that you can eat over 4 days? Probably. Then it instantly becomes cheaper. Last one, relationships. Listen, hot tip, no one's gonna, you probably, if you can't cook a single meal, unless you're super, super rich or super, super valuable in some other regard, okay? Cooking helps you get dates. It also helps you in your long-standing relationships. It's an amazing way to show that you care about someone. Your wife, your husband, you cook a meal for them. It's a great way to say thank you. Cook for somebody that looked after your pets for the weekend. Make them a big batch of bolognese. It doesn't matter. Cooking is a tool to improve relationships. So next time you say, oh, I should never, I don't need, why would I even bother to learning how to cook? Just think about it. Health, wealth, relationships. You don't have to do all 3. You don't have to care about all 3. Just pick one and say, that's the reason I'm going to start cooking today. And start cooking. Start learning, and you will get better. It is worth it.